Pimsleur versus Glossika, the ultimate battle between guided conversation and high-rep immersion. Both of these apps claim they can get you fluent, but only one actually delivers a complete experience for the modern learner. Today we're breaking down both programs to crown a definitive winner in 2026. If you're tired of apps that feel like games and want something that actually works, this is for you. I want to start with a quick overview of each app, starting with Pimsleur. Typical Pimsleur lessons are centered around audio. An English-speaking host walks you through a conversation in your target language. You'll listen to fluent speakers converse, then every few sentences, the host pauses to describe the situation and provide some context. The host will then prompt you to participate in the conversation as well. After each Pimsleur audio lesson, you review the material through a variety of drills, including digital flashcards, quizzes, pronunciation practice, and quick games. Now that we've covered Pimsleur, let's flip the script and discuss why you might choose Glossika to learn a new language like Spanish, German, or Italian. The core of Glossika's method is providing an immersive learning experience. Lessons consist entirely of content in the learner's target language, with no side-by-side English translation. The structure encourages extensive exposure to authentic material through reading and listening. The goal is natural language acquisition, where learners build vocabulary organically by encountering new words in their proper context. That's the essence of the Glossika learning methodology. So that's how both courses work. Now let's compare the subscription options. Pimsleur's subscription options include the premium plan at $20 per month, which gives access to one language. Then there's the all-access plan at $21 per month, which offers access to over 50 languages. Glossika also has two tiers. The basic plan costs about $17 per month and includes access to one language, while the pro plan, priced at about $31 per month, provides unlimited access to more than 60 languages. When comparing pricing, the two platforms are quite similar. Glossika is slightly more cost-effective for single language learners, but for those interested in studying multiple languages, Pimsleur's all-access plan offers better value. Keep in mind, these prices can change with sales, and you can usually find a promo code to help you get their lower rates. Next, let's get into what we love about both of these apps, starting again with Pimsleur. Advantage number one in Pimsleur's favor is, in my opinion, their audio lessons. They're more comprehensive than Glossika's. Pimsleur's audio lessons do a great job of keeping you engaged over their longer periods and prompt you to repeat out loud and participate. And what really stands out is that you can do these lessons during your commute thanks to their CarPlay app. So while they might seem more rigid on the surface, you actually end up with more flexibility in how and where you want to learn. You're not glued to your phone thanks to this audio format. The next advantage is that the Pimsleur courses are more complete and well-rounded with their full course. After each audio lesson, you're prompted to complete a variety of practice drills encompassing reading, writing, speaking, and listening to help reinforce what you learned during the audio portion. These reinforcement exercises help you start to really form an understanding of what you're learning as you go. The final advantage for Pimsleur is their voice coach, which provides instant feedback on your pronunciation during drills and exercises. The voice coach is very targeted and gives better feedback than many competitors do. We also recommend trying their challenge mode as you get further along in a lesson, where you're prompted in English to say a phrase in the language you're learning without any hints. Now that we've looked at Pimsleur, here are the main reasons why Glossika is a great choice for learning a new language. Glossika's lessons are notably shorter and more convenient to complete compared to Pimsleur's longer sessions. For those with busy schedules who can only dedicate 10 to 15 minutes a day, Glossika may be the more practical choice. This shorter format can also help maintain motivation, as consistently finishing lessons provides a sense of progress and accomplishment. Second, Glossika really stands out for its review sessions. As learners progress, the app encourages regular reviews of previously learned material. What sets Glossika apart, however, is its use of AI to tailor these reviews. The technology predicts when a learner is likely to forget a word or pattern and proactively includes it in your next review session. Our team gives Glossika credit for this feature, as it does a more effective job than Pimsleur at reinforcing past lessons and helping learners retain what they've already studied. Lastly, we have to mention the gamified lessons with Glossika. Glossika makes learning enjoyable by having a more interactive program than Pimsleur. You earn points and coins for activities, advance through levels, track learning streaks, and can even join contests and challenges with leaderboards that add a friendly competitive edge. This gamified approach boosts motivation, provides a satisfying sense of accomplishment, and keeps you eager to continue learning. Alright, time for our final verdict. Should you choose Pimsleur or Glossika? Well, after thoroughly testing both of these apps, Pimsleur ultimately offers a more comprehensive learning experience. While Glossika's straightforward approach to natural language learning is effective, We found ourselves wishing for more depth and engagement. With Pimsleur, we never felt the same need for additional substance. Pimsleur's lessons are more well-rounded, incorporating a variety of practice drills and features that help maintain our interest throughout. We especially appreciate how Pimsleur focuses on simulated real-world conversations, which encourages active participation and contextual learning, rather than simply listening to and repeating isolated sentences. In the end, we believe Pimsleur provides a more immersive experience, making it the better choice between the two. If you need more information, there's also a detailed written review over on our website. Just Google Guide to Fluency, Pimsleur versus Glossika. Also, before I sign off, I wanted to mention that here at Guide to Fluency, we're on a mission to help 1 million people learn a second language. As a part of that goal, we're giving away a free language learning subscription to one lucky subscriber. It's super simple to enter. I'll leave all the details down below in the description. That's all I've got for you today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more language learning content and reviews.